Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong mid-December. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga item, we have protection from evil eye, we have love bracelet, meron tayong granter necklace. Okay, so granter. So si granter is taga-grant ng mga minamanifest and taga-grant ng kung anuman na dapat para sa'yo. Okay, and yung ating latest na ating item for cord cutting. Okay, kung may tanong pa, just message me na lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, you have a stalker, Aqua. The Seven of Swords kanina. Okay, or maybe you're dealing with a liar. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So, ano bang meron? Okay, ngayong mid-December? In general, Aqua. Okay, ano bang meron for you? Kung may makita akong specific, babanggitin ko rin. Okay? So, ano bang meron for Aquarius placements? In general, ngayong December. Mid-December. Okay, let's see for Aqua. The Empress. Okay, energy ng progress. Okay, this is talking about energy din ng pregnancy. Energy rin ng pagdating sa looks, Empress, Emperor, mapababae, mapalalaki, kung naman ang gender mo, may chance na pwedeng may mag-enhance pagdating sa looks. May mag-improve pagdating sa looks. Okay, so what's with this Empress? Yeah, this is sabihin natin, being attractive. May mga ganyang energy. Okay, what's with this Empress? The Knight of Wands. Yes. Okay, so Aqua, I'm seeing you, some of you, mayroong mga nagkakagusto, no? Or may magkakagusto. Something na talagang sabihin natin kasi na-attract. May mga ma-attract sa'yo. Okay, Aqua? Yeah, the High Priestess. Sabihin nating merong mga silent lang and merong mga straightforward, di ba? Mga transparent pagdating sa kanilang emotions. So, the Knight of Wands, I'm seeing some of you meron ding sex. Okay, wanting na makasex ka. Okay, Aqua. So, yeah, be careful if you're not ready na maging pregables or makapregi, then alam mo na. Okay? So, iba sa inyo ang nagkakagusto sa'yo, someone younger. Or may age gap, kaya age difference. Okay, sa inyo. Okay. So, what else? I'm seeing here progress in general, having plans. Okay? Plans, goals. Some of you, I'm seeing you practicing something. I don't know kung ano. Okay, maybe a new hobby. Okay, pasensya na po sa ingay kung naririnig nyo. Okay, what else? Yeah, the Hermit. So, energy ng pwedeng merong mga susubukang bago. Kung ano man iyon, hindi ko alam. In general, there's like new things, new energy. Okay? May mga pag-aaralan. Yan. Okay, what's with this Hermit? Somebody's stalking you. Watching you. Watching you progress. Watching you improve. Okay, what's with this Hermit? Pwedeng Virgo. Yeah, the Magician. Iba sa inyo. I'm seeing some of you being interested pagdating sa tarot world, mga ganyan. Okay, energy ng may mga magpa-progress. Okay, I'm seeing some of you may chance, this is specific, may chance na makapasa kung ano man itong mga pinaghahandaan, lalo na kung exam, test. Okay, yeah. There's this someone manifesting a conversation with you, someone na hindi nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Pwedeng Virgo. Okay, there's this Virgo, a big Virgo placement. Okay, I'm seeing here 3 Virgos. So, may chance na Virgo yung someone na to. Okay, meron ding fire. Okay, so, yeah, the Knight of Swords. Yeah, they want conversation with you. Bakit ganun? Every time talaga na magre-reading ako, tsaka sila nag-iingay. Okay. So, discovering new hobbies maybe this mid-December for some of you. Okay? Sabihin din nating may mga araling bago, may mga susubukang bago, mga ganyan. Okay? So, what else? Okay, the Nine of Swords. Somebody is feeling intimidated whenever you're around, whenever they see you, they feel intimidated. Feeling intimidated, maybe they're nervous. Okay, yeah. You have a stalker, I told you. You have a stalker. I don't know. Some of them, they're young. Okay? Iba sa inyo ang nagkakagusto yung mga estudyante. Estudyante pa to. Yeah. Nag-aaral pa. That's specific. Okay, somebody, you're in their mind. You're living in their mind. Rent-free. Okay, meron nag-iisip sa'yo. Like, umaga, gabi, hapon, tanghali. Okay? I don't know why. Maybe they're interested. They like you. Physically rin. Okay? Physically. They see you as someone who is so guarded. So maybe that is why. What's this Nine of Swords? What's with this Nine of Swords? Iba sa inyo, nakakuha ko ng energy ritong nape-pressured. Okay? Pressured. I don't know why. What's with this Nine of Swords? Lalo na pagdating sa mga exam, kung ano man. Okay? Somebody rin is hiding their pregnancy. There's this secret pregnancy akong nakikita. Okay? What's with this Nine of Swords? And the Two of Swords in reversed. Okay. Air sign like you. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. They're in their head. Somebody na hindi nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Okay, meron silang gustong gawin. Gusto nilang makita ka, gusto ka nilang makasama, something like that. Okay? The Queen of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng namimiss nyo na nanay nyo, tatay nyo, or maybe sila namimiss kayo. Okay, somebody is, sabihin nating concerned. Okay, may ganyang energy. What's with this Two of Swords in reversed? Somebody talaga may gagawa ng action towards you. May mga connection ako nakikita rito. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers in reverse, Seven of Wands. Some of you pwedeng ni-reject ka nito or something. Yeah. Pwedeng ni-reject ka nito kasi parang nandun yung energy na emosyon nila ay parang natatakot or nahihiya or hindi lang talaga sila comfortable. Yeah, there's energy of nervousness around this person. Okay? Yeah, they feel nervous. Scared maybe, some of them. Okay? Pero yeah, you're always on their mind. Okay, you're the person on their mind. A Two of Cups, yeah. If you have someone on your mind, siya yun. Yeah, that's specific. Okay, if you're longing for someone, if you're missing someone, that's the one. That's the one. I'm seeing here mutual feelings. Kung ganun ang nararamdaman for that person, ganun din ang nararamdaman nila for you. Okay, yeah, the Nine of Cups. The Nine of Cups, sabihin natin they want you, they like you. Okay, this could be a water sign. Yeah, we have Virgo, air sign, fire. Yeah, Gemini is here. Okay. Yung may mga na-reject dito, okay, may chance na sobrang nabibigatan sila sa kung ano mang nararamdaman nila ngayon kasi kailangan nilang sabihin, ilabas, mga ganyang energy. Okay? Somebody is manifesting you, or maybe you're manifesting something or someone. Yeah, the devil, pwedeng Capricorn. Okay, meron ditong makikipag-usap talaga, they will guard down. Okay? May mag-guard down dito. Anyway, so yun, ang akin nakikita. A travel, bigla ang travel, ngayong mid-December. Yeah, it's like a bigla ang decision. Okay? Pwedeng a bigla ang invitation. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin, ang nakikita ko dito is, may mga balak gawin pagdating sa sarili, sa itsura, sa looks. Okay? Para madagdagan yung confidence sa sarili. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, there, in general, yung nakukuha ko. So, tayo tumungo sa iyong person. Okay? The one you're thinking of. The person you're thinking of. Who is the person on your mind, Aqua? The person on your mind, Aquarius. Who is this person you're thinking of? Anong energy nila? Let's see. Let's check kung ano bang meron sa kanya ngayon. Okay. The Hermit in reverse. Pwedeng Virgo. Yeah, ang lakas ng Virgo sa energy nyo, Aqua. Might be dealing with a Virgo. Or pwedeng may Virgo placement sila. Okay? May Virgo sa kanilang birth chart, maybe. Oh, okay, so what's with this Hermit in reverse? The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, I'm seeing this person na pwedeng nakikita mo pagdating sa gym. Yeah, this is, yeah. Okay? Yeah, because of this. See? Yeah, gym. Hindi mo na siya nakikita ngayon, actually. Yeah, that's specific. Okay? Hindi mo na siya nakikita. Or hindi na kayo nagkakakitaan. Pero yeah, the Hermit in reverse, nawala. Okay, may nag-stop. Yeah, the Judgment in reverse. I think, na-intimidate sa itong taong to. They like you. Yeah, this person likes you. Pero hindi mo makikita sa action, sa salita, if ever. Ang nakukuha ko nga dito is they're a loner. Some of them, they're an introvert. Okay? They have maybe issue pagdating sa kanilang sarili. Okay? Hindi sila ganun ka-confident pagdating sa sarili nila. May ganun silang energy. Itong taong to. Yeah, they have, sabihin nating, issue in general. Oo, pagdating sa sarili nila. Okay? Marami silang parang kailangang, ay, naku po, Diyos ko. Some of them, meron silang mga kailangang ipakita, parang ganyan. Anyway, hindi yan para sa lahat. No? I-improve or maybe ipagmalaki, parang ganyan. Pero they can't. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. This person is looking at you like maybe across the room. Nakikita mo siya, nakatingin siya sa'yo, something like that. Okay? Walang nangyari, some of you, walang nangyari sa inyong romantic connection. Okay? Some of them, yeah, the Nine of Pentacles is here in reverse. Some of them, they have money. Or maybe they have money issue. Okay? So, yeah. Iba sa kanilang nakikita ko rito, sabihin natin parang dumidepende pa sila sa ibang tao. Parang may ganun. Let's see, ano bang situation yun ng taong to? Wala akong nakikitang connection sa ngayon. Some of you, you're in no contact. Or talagang hindi lang talaga kayo nag-uusap ng taong to. Hindi na kayo nagkikita ng taong to. Or hindi mo na siya nakikita. Okay? Yes. Anong situation nyo? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Ay. Meron ditong hindi nangyari. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, and the Ace of Swords in reversed. This is a false start. May nangyaring false start sa inyo. Yeah, death. May nangyaring false start sa past, maybe. Pwedeng akala nyo magkakaroon na kayo ng connection, pero hindi pala nangyari. It's like nag-stop na dun. Akala nyo madudugtungan pa. Okay, maybe nagkausap kayo once, and then pwedeng may nag-expect dun. Pero hindi na natuloy. Yeah. Meron ditong lumayo. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. See? May lumayo dito. Pero they want to see you. Alam mo, yung energy ng taong to, Aqua, nilalayuan ka, pero ini-stalk ka. Nilalayuan ka niya, inaayawan ka maybe, pero ini-stalk ka. Okay? May nangyaring false start po sa situation. Meron ditong nanghinayang actually. Akala, may mga ganyan. May mga akala ko magkakaroon na kami ng connection or whatsoever, pero hindi nangyari. Okay? So, let's see. What is their emotion right now? Anong emotion mo, person? Oo, pagdating dito sa mga Aquarius. Anong emotion mo ngayon? Oo, para sa mga Aqua. What is their true emotion deep down? For you, Aqua. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. They're avoiding you. They're blocking you. They're avoiding you. I don't know why. There's tension here, I think. There's tension. They feel nervous. What's with the Seven of Wands? Alam mo, Aqua, kahit dun sa general, nakuha ko to. Nakuha ko tong energy niya. So maybe there's this strong connection pagdating sa inyong dalawa. I think. It's like a runner and a chaser energy. I think. Okay. What's with the Seven of Wands? Yeah, they're blocking you. They're avoiding you. The Three of Swords. Some of you pwedeng may third party involved. That's why. Okay. Pero some of them, they're afraid to get hurt. I don't know why. They're afraid of getting hurt. Yeah, the Emperor. In reversed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. In reversed. Alam mo, kahit ina-avoid ka nito, naiisip ka niya. Okay? Naiisip ka niya. The Three of Swords, some of them, kung makikita nyo to, there's this, pwedeng iPad or nakikinig siya ng music. Parang ganyan. There's something significant. Okay? About a song, maybe a song. Okay? So, yeah, pasensya na po ha sa ingay. Okay? Pasensya na sa ingay. Sa paligid-ligid. So, let's see. What is their next action towards you, Aqua? What's their next action towards you? They're blocking you, pero yeah, they're thinking of you. Yeah, they're afraid. Yung iba sa kanila, kaya kanya tinatanggihan or nilalayuan. Takot sila. I don't know why. Okay, maybe they're not used to, parang, they're not into this. Parang ganyan, they're not comfortable na may makakonect or sabihin nating hindi lang sila ready sa ganito. Hindi sila sociable. Oh my God. Sino yung naread ko ng ganito? I don't know. Para may naread akong ganito. Same energy. Anyway. So, their next action towards you, Aquarius. Their next action towards you. The Emperor. Okay. What's with that? So, I think, yeah, merong something dito, like strong connection. What's with this Emperor? Yeah, the Moon. In reversed. Taking action. Taking action. Some of them, meron silang i-reveal. Okay? Iba sa kanila, they're guarded. Okay? Pipiliin lang maging guarded. Iba sa inyo, ito specific. Sabihin nating kung meron kayong mga pinupuntahan something, like isang environment, pwede yan dumalaw doon. Just to see you. Pero wala akong nakikitang sabihin nating totally action because yeah, they're guarded. Okay? Gusto ko lang niya makita. Maybe, gusto ko marinig. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Yeah. This is like another chance. Yeah. Maybe. Sana gumawa siya ng ng action, like solid action towards you. They're afraid before. So sana maging ready na sila. Taking charge. Wow. Stepping up. Let's see. Ano bang outcome? Anong outcome if ever? Anong outcome nyo ng taong to? The Tower. So, there's this unexpected. Okay? So, hindi ko titingnan yung Tower as something na pangit. Okay? For me, the Tower is unexpected. Yeah. So, it's like may masasalba, I think. Yeah, may masasalba. Okay, kahit hindi okay yung situation, maybe masasalba nyo yung connection, maybe, I think, or pwedeng may something nga na may mangyayaring reconnection, I think. Okay, this is unexpected. What's with this Tower for you, Aqua? What's with this Tower para ngayong mid-December? Yeah, someone. Mayroon dito. Okay, gagawa ng action. Iisang tabi yung sabihin nating pagmamatigas, if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Wands. Andun nga lang sa ngayon yung energy ng in doubt. Okay? Like, should I or hindi? Mga ganyang energy. Okay, pero yeah, the Knight of Pentacles, universe, somebody, ito specific ha, somebody will give you something. Okay, it's like unexpected gift, maybe unexpected invitation, maybe something like that. This is unexpected. Okay, pasensya na po nga sa ingay. Okay, ano tong Knight of Pentacles? May pagbibigay dito, sa totoo lang. May nakikita akong paggastos dito. Ha? Okay. Mga ganyang bagay-bagay ba? Yeah. See, the Ten of Cups. Yeah, I'm seeing here invitation. Occasion. Yeah, the Three of Cups. See? Get together. Somebody will throw maybe a party, mga ganyan. Yeah. Unexpected. Ooh. I'm seeing here a reconnection. Okay, pagdating sa inyo, so may mangyayari na kaya, may susunod na kayang kabanata doon sa naunsyami. Naunsyami ninyong connection. May naunsyami, may na-delay. Okay? So, I think, yeah. Iba sa inyo talaga may age difference. Somebody's older, somebody's younger. May mga ganun. Okay, so I'm seeing some of you, there's this unexpected na reconnection. Yes, ito yung parang hindi fino-force. Hindi to finorce. Unexpected lang talaga na pwedeng magkikita kayo, magre-reconnect kayo. Okay? Something like that. Yeah. Anyway, so kung nagustuhan mo yun, no? Kasi nagustuhan ko, di ba? Magre-reconnect kayo. Nakikita ko na magkikita kayo kung sino man to. Yung naunsyami. Ha, yun. Ang title natin, naunsyami. Pero, ano, naway matuloy na. No, oo, kung ano man yun. Oo. So, tayo, ang naunsyami. Tawa. Wait lang. So, tayo tumuho So, all signs for you, Aqua. Aries through Pisces. So, wala na akong babanggitin wala na akong binanggit na signs doon. Zodiac. Yes, this could be any sign naman. Okay, pero malakas yung Virgo doon. Okay? Anyway. So, Aries through Pisces for you. Aquarius placements. Okay, okay, Aries. They want to contact you. Ayaw nila. Some of them, talagang iniisip ka. Pero, yeah, maybe gagawa sila ng something para maalis sila sa pagiging stuck. Yeah. Taurus, unfinished business. Feeling incomplete without you, maybe. Gemini, there's this unexpected. Some of you, there's this energy of separation. They still feel the connection, maybe. Okay? Cancer. Okay, so there's this energy from this Cancerian na they will give you mixed signals. Okay, this is mixed signals. Yeah. Somebody is, sabihin nating jealous. Okay? Leo, a waste of time. I don't know. Or maybe, ayaw nilang may masasayang na oras and yes, gagawa sila ng action towards you. Virgo, they're manifesting you. Aqua, maybe you're the one who's manifesting. Okay, their back is turned. Pero they feel you. They still feel the connection. Okay, feeling nila ginagawan mo sila. Or vice versa. Okay. Libra. Okay, so si Libra, they're trying to forget you. Maybe some of them, there's this unexpected message. Okay. So, somebody will end the no contact. Scorpio. Selfish. Yeah. Sagittarius. Feeling nila ikaw yung the one. I think. Yeah, yun ang narinig ko. Capricorn, they love you. They love you. Some of you, there's this unfinished business kayo. Oh, and may unfinished business kayo ni Capricorn. Aquarius. Some of them, this Aqua will guard down. Okay, they will guard down. Pisces, a repeat. A return. Okay, so, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.